This video will be for my lower level engineers on using Scratch Junior. So my suggestion for this week is to use coding, use Scratch Junior to make a short story, a short interaction between two characters about how you are feeling during this time. In Scratch Junior, you are going to use code. Code is a set of instructions that you give to the computer. So you will give a set of instructions to each character. I'm going to switch my screen over to the iPad to give you a short tutorial on how to get started. Remember, this is supposed to be fun, stress-free. If you feel frustrated, take a step away and know, okay, I can come back to this later. Hi, I'm on the iPad right now, and I'm going to click on the Scratch Junior application, and we're going to get started. I already have a little mock-up of the activity that I'm going to suggest for you guys, and we're going to just have a short story animation where two characters have a conversation with each other. I'm going to click here to start a brand new project. This is my stage. This is where I get to see everything that I create happen. Over here, these are your pages if you create more than one page for your project. And on the left-hand side is the space for your characters. I don't want to use the cat, so I'm going to press and hold. See where I see the red X? Keep clicking things. Press and hold. Red X. Okay? Another way you can do it is if I'm just going to bring the cat back up. You can press in the screen, press and hold, and then delete. I'm going to add two characters. And I'm going to add a backdrop. Your backdrop can be whatever you choose. Now, we are going to start our code. A code is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. So we're going to tell these characters what to do. When you're starting your program, every program in Scratch Junior must start with a trigger block. A trigger block says when this happens, then whatever follows will go into action. I'm going to go to yellow. I'm going to use when green flag is clicked. So that means I'm going to have to click this green flag for my program to start. I'm making sure I know which character I'm programming. I'm programming her. I can see that here and here. And I am going to make this character say something. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can use the purple blocks and use a speech bubble, or you can use the green and you can record a sound. I'm going to use the purple. And I'm going to say, hi, Miss Playing Outside. So when I click on the green flag, you will see the speech bubble, hi, Miss Playing Outside. Then I want the next character to say something. However, I want the character to say something after she finishes. I'm going to go back here. Same thing when the green flag is clicked. Because I want it to go after, we have to use a wait block. I'm going to go to the orange block. I'm going to find this timer stopwatch. And right now it says 10 seconds. And we will see if that's enough or we need to add or decrease. I'm going to go back to the purple, make a speech bubble, and she will say, me too. I'm want to go back to school. Okay. Green flag. Hi, Miss Playing Outside. Me too. I want to go back to school. So you see that it popped up soon. So I'm going to add 15 seconds and we're going to see. So I'm going to try 20 seconds because I want her speech bubble to be gone before she starts talking. So you notice I am just playing around with the time until we get it right. We're almost there, so now let's try 30 seconds. Perfect. Then you can make them have a conversation back and forth. Let's say if I go back here, then I will have to make her wait 30 seconds and then say, me too, school is fun. So now let's see how it goes. Okay, same thing. Let's say if you want to make it 35 instead of 30 here. You can also make your characters move. So my suggestion is to use the speech bubble and the motion blocks. So you can make them move after they finish talking or while they're talking. The choice is up to you, and how they move is up to you. So if you want her to do like a little jump up and down after she says, "Me too, school is fun," I can add some hopping blocks. And let's see how that looks. Notice that she did not start hopping until she finished her sentence. So this is using an algorithm, a step-by-step process to complete a task. You have to finish the steps before in order for the steps. They must go in order. Think about if you're giving somebody instructions to brush their teeth. You have to tell them step by step. And so that's what we're doing here. We're giving them step-by-step process to complete this program. If you want to make her move closer, we can click on her. Let's say if you wanted her to move while she was talking, we will add another trigger block. We will still do the wait 30 seconds. And then we will have motion. And let's say we can use our grid to say we want her to come up to here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 9 steps. So we have just created our very own story, conversation, interaction in Scratch Junior. When you finish creating, always give your project a name. Name it whatever you want to name it. However your project makes you feel, give it a name. I'm going to name mine Missing Friends. And you can click the check mark. And you will be all done. If you would like to share your project with me, there's a tab that says for parents. That your parent can click on it. They can answer the question. And then they can share by email. I hope this is helpful. I hope you make it fun. Remember, go at your own pace, and you do not have to create the same story that I created. Make it however you want it. Make the conversation however you want the conversation to go. Some suggestions: you can have a conversation with a friend that you miss. You can have a conversation about how this is making you feel. Or you can have a conversation about what do you plan to do when all of this is over. Make it your own. Have fun. Miss you guys. See you later.